PowerSafe Automation, we are dedicated to creating a more comfortable and safe working environment with our ergonomic workstations. Our workstations are designed with adjustable table lifts that let you easily find the perfect height to help improve posture and boost productivity. With a modular design, they offer endless customization options. Easily expand your setup with features like workspace lighting, part bins, and monitor mounts, all designed to create a personalized and efficient workspace. The ergonomic workstations are made with the green leverage zone in mind. This is the area where tools and equipment are most accessible. Here you can see we designed the workstation to keep your elbows close to your body and your lower back and shoulder muscles relaxed while reaching comfortably for frequently used materials. Learn more about how PowerSafe Automation's ergonomic solutions can transform your workspace. PowerSafe Automation, where innovative safety solutions meet practical design.